Hello everyone, we're just here in Hong Kong for holiday, guys. We are family of 10. So we stay here in Ramada Hotel, Baitus. Me and my niece, Rowena, stay in this room. This is a budget-friendly hotel, guys. Safe, clean, but budget-friendly. Here's our room, guys. I will show you. Have a TV. Have also a supply of hot water in. Have a kettle. Have a tea. And this is our bed, guys. Look at the lampshade, kind of antique. Looks like the decoration is Victorian style. It's clean, neat, small. Oh, have a security deposit box over there. Also have a hair dryer. And I notice here have a small press that the person can use. Clothes, you can hang your clothes. And this is the washroom, guys. This is the washroom. Have a small bathtub. It is good enough. And look at the views, guys. This is our views. That's the outside of our hotel. Yeah, that is our view, guys. Have a nice view. I know it seems that is what is that in there? Garden, or it's not a golf course. Yeah, this is our hotel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.